Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today I'm making a very simple and easy quick French toast recipe. It is sweet French toast. This recipe is loved by my children and this is kids special recipe. Most of the kids love this recipe because it's sweet and very easy, quick to make. So for this I have taken 2 eggs and I've taken 1 small cup of milk, then 4 slices of bread and I've cut the corners. Then there is this vanilla essence and there is this 2 tablespoons of castor sugar. If you don't have castor sugar, you can also use normal sugar. Now let's first whisk this egg. And now we will add our ingredients slowly. Some people don't like to put milk because they don't want it thin. It's optional, but I like to put a little bit of milk. Now to this I'm going to add few drops of vanilla essence over here. Okay, and then I'm going to add my 1 tablespoon of sugar, castor sugar, and I'm going to mix it now. Let's mix this nicely. Now next to this mixture I am going to add very little milk. Though I have taken 1 cup, I am going to add very little, say around 3 to 4 tablespoons. So basically the idea is that I want my French toast to be soft and fluffy, and that's why I am adding. If you don't like soft and fluffy one, if you just want to make regular French toast, you don't need to add this milk, it's optional. But my kids like it this way, so I'm adding. So you can say around 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Now let's go to our pan and make the French toast. Okay, now I've taken non-stick pan. I've kept it on low flame and I'm going to brush this pan first with butter or ghee, whichever you want. And now I'm going to take my slice like this and dip it in this mixture that we made, the egg mixture, and now we are just going to put it here. One by one we are going to put all our 4 slices, coat them with this egg mixture, and we are going to just cook them. Some people like to deep fry, but I don't like to deep fry. I'm going to shallow fry them. Now at this point you can increase your flame and you just need to fry them till they are crispy and nice. So I'm going to put my last slice of bread also over here like this. Coated my bread with this egg mixture. Remaining mixture you can just pour it on your breads and now let it cook. I'm also going to brush some butter like this on my toast. They have to be crispy. This recipe is very tasty, and now we are going to flip it after it is cooked one side. So let's cook this. We have to flip it very slowly. We don't want them to break, and even if it breaks it's okay, but try not to break them. So let's do it slowly. The gas is still on high. I'll just flip them like this. I'll just turn my flame a bit low now because I don't want them to get burnt. So this is how they are going to look, and this is the color I want. Very easy, tasty recipe this is. You don't need to add any other thing apart from vanilla essence. Vanilla essence is mainly put so that you don't get the egg smell. See, like this. One side is cooked nicely. We are going to cook the other side and that's it. Your French toast, sweet French toast are ready to serve. The kids will enjoy when it is hot, and I am going to serve this with pancake syrup. I'll tell you how I'm going to serve. You can also serve the same. So let me just cook this till it's crispy, nice, and then we will plate it. If you want, you can brush some butter or ghee on both the sides again if you want to make it a bit more crispy. It's optional, it's as per your wish. And just toast the breads till they are crispy. Now because we put milk, they are going to be a little bit soft also. If you don't put milk, they'll be crispy. But I like it with the milk. This is the color, this is the crispiness that we want. And now we are going to plate it. Let's plate this. So I'm going to plate my French toast. This is the way I serve it in my house. I'm going to keep this like this, and I want to cut them into triangle. They are very hot, very hot. Let's place them like this. Place them whichever way you want, no problem. We are going to put some pancake syrup. This is the pancake syrup that I'm going to put. That's optional again. If you like it, if your children like it, just put some pancake syrup over here like this. And your sweet French toast kid special recipe is ready to eat. See how it's looking. It's very tasty. Do try in your kitchen and let me know in the comments if you tried and if you liked it. Do subscribe to my channel, Flavors and Fragrance, home cooking made with love. See you next time with some new exciting recipe. Bye.